थैंक यू। चलो या सो डे 1 LFC lungs fitness challenge. So I request each and everyone to be regular and so that हम ये कर सकें अच्छे से and जैसा मैंने पहले कहा हमने बहुत कुछ करा है तो we can find it simple but let's start it from the scratch and keep observing yourself. As I said कई बार हम बहुत casual ले लेते हैं कि ये तो हमें आता ही है and then we are not, in fact beginners do it better. I have observed this. तो दिस थिंग इज आप किसी भी आसन में बैठ सकते हो, बैक को हमेशा स्ट्रेट रखेंगे, चिन को परपेंडिकुलर टू द चेस्ट, शोल्डर्स ओपन रहेंगे, बॉडी रिलैक्स रहेगी, कहीं स्टिफनेस नहीं रखेंगे, बिल्कुल रिलैक्स रहेंगे एंड try to maintain some diary or some copy before, like in this 30 days में where is we progress before we started the session, how was our state of mind, emotion, breathing, everything, and how after the session every day, like I have also started today new copy to for this. Okay, so these are the things which, so the session will go first, we will start with the conditioning बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें हम नहीं कर पाते हैं बिकॉज मेंटली भी कंडीशन नहीं होते। कल मुझे शैला ने जब बताया तो देन आई गॉट रियली मोटिवेटेड, शी सेड कि शी कुड डू दैट परिक्रमा एंड पैदल एंड शी वाज द फर्स्ट वन, दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग। बट माइंडसेट पहले कि मुझे ये करना है एंड देन बिकॉज वी हैव बीन डूइंग योगा इज समथिंग जो हमें अंदर से हील करता है, हमें पता नहीं चलता है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट ए कि एकदम से कुछ ऐसा चेंजेस दिख रहा है। So that increases your breathing capacity because spine better हो जाती है, so your lungs capacity increases. Ribs are attached to your spine, so it's very important to relax your spine and इसलिए spine के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है। तो it works all the ways, so the spine and lungs. This is the first thing which I wanted to tell. So let's start with a small prayer. Prayers in the sense कि just a small mantra से start किया करेंगे, so that mantra is also, it's a very beautiful way to connect with the divine and bring our desires closer, and it's a universal prayer for a world happiness. Number one, this thing, and be mindful for your breathing because breathing is something we have to be own mindful, like हमें किसी और कोई और हमें नहीं बता सकता how it is impacting it, how we are breathing it. So these are 2-3 conditioning हम पहले करेंगे and then we will move some stretches and then the breathing and then the closing. Okay, so first conditioning से start करते हैं। सीधे बैठ जाते हैं, आसन ले लेते हैं, आईज को क्लोज कर लेते हैं, inhale deeply, exhale, very slowly करेंगे हम, चाहे हम फर्स्ट डे को भी 2 बार भी 2 दिन भी कर सकते हैं बट विल गो विद करेक्शन कि हमें सब अच्छे से हम कर पाए। लंबा गहरा श्वास लेंगे एंड लंबा स्लो एंड डीप ब्रीदिंग एंड कंप्लीट एक्सेल, eyes closed, relax all the muscles and bring your palms closer or you can keep it on your thighs also, no problem. With the prayer intention, ओम चैंटिंग के साथ में हम मंत्र पढ़ेंगे सहना भवतु कि हम सब साथ में मिलके ये कर रहे हैं। सो हम सब सुखी हो, हम सब स्वस्थ हो एंड इंटेंशन ऑफ द सबके लिए, फॉर एवरीवन। लंबा गहरा श्वास लेंगे, नहीं आता है तो मैं बोलूंगी तो पीछे से एक बार में आ जाएगा धीरे धीरे। सहना भवतु, ओम सहना भवतु, सहनौ भुनक्तु, सह वीर्यं करवावहै, तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Release your hands, release your palms on your thighs. Take a deep breath, keep your eyes closed. Few breaths, just deep inhaling and deep exhaling. Connect with your breath. And relax. Open your eyes. Now few stretches for the expansion of the lungs. Very simple, हमने पहले भी करे हुए हैं, but interlock your fingers. Keep it on your chest. Inhale. Exhale करते हुए palms out and straighten your hand. Exhale and inhale. Okay. Chest open, elbows straight. Exhale. Inhale. When you bring it to your chest, inhale. Exhale. So let's get into this rhythm. खुद से चेक करेंगे, यहाँ पे आते हैं तब हम एक्सेल करते हुए आएंगे, जाएंगे, ओपन करेंगे, इनहेल करते हुए वापस आएंगे, एक्सेल करते हुए जाएंगे. Start. Inhale, exhale. Inhale to chest. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. मैं बोल रही हूँ नंबर, इसलिए मेरा सांस गड़बड़ हो जा रहा है. आप लोग जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ वैसे ही करोगे. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. Exhale out. Inhale in. And relax. Today I did a fewer counts क्योंकि शैला को जाना भी है तो हम टाइमली खत्म कर पाए. Now the same thing, same movement with the different variation of breath. Now inhale, exhale, जो हम normally करते हैं. So that was a different variation. When we were exhaling, when we were going out, and inhaling, we were coming back. Now this time we will do, that's why I'm saying be observant about your breath. Now inhale and exhale. Okay, start. Deep inhale. Don't take short breath. It's a breath work. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, elbows straight, exhale. बिल्कुल हाथ सामने ही रहना है. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. You can close your eyes and be mindful about your breath. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, bring it to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Everyone do together with my counting. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, exhale. रिलैक्स. हाथ को फिंगर्स को यहाँ रखेंगे शोल्डर्स पे. इट्स अ ट्विस्टिंग मूवमेंट. लंग्स एक्सपेंशन, रिब्स का पूरा खुलेगा. रिब्स आर अटैच्ड टू द स्पाइन, सो स्पाइन की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है तो हमारी ब्रीदिंग हमेशा बेटर होती है. सो यहाँ पे हाथ रखेंगे. अब क्या करेंगे हम? ट्विस्ट करेंगे एंड सेंटर आएंगे. ट्विस्ट एंड सेंटर, ट्विस्ट एंड सेंटर. Got it? Let's go on my breathing. Inhale and exhale. Okay. So again the same thing. Normally हम क्या करते हैं? When we twist, we exhale. When we come into the center, we inhale. Now we will do the opposite. So you are conscious about your breath. You are aware. You are mindful about your breath. When I am saying inhaling and twist, twist, inhaling, exhaling, center. Got it? Start. Right twist, everyone. Inhale, center. मतलब inhale, twist, exhale, center. Since हमारे subconscious में मेरे चला गया है कि वो जब center में आते हैं, so I have to need it, make it more observant. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale, eyes close करके आराम से move, keep on moving. Right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Inhale, left. हाथ को शोल्डर पे ही रहो, शोल्डर से हाथ नीचे नहीं आना है. Exhale, center. एल्बोज को फॉरवर्ड बैंड भी नहीं करना है. एल्बोज को ऐसे ही पीछे शोल्डर्स के पैरेलल में रखना है. Inhale, twist. Exhale, center. Inhale, twist. Last के 2 round. Inhale, twist. Exhale, center. Inhale, twist. Exhale, center. Inhale, twist. Exhale, center. And release your hands. You can rotate. हल्का सा हो गया. Very आराम आराम से सारे movements हैं. Now, वो जो हम करते हैं, left hand on the right knee, right hand back, twisting, exhale, the same way जो हम करते हैं. Exhale, twist, inhale, center. Exhale, twist, inhale, center. Exhale, twist, shoulders open रहेगा. पूरी बॉडी को ट्विस्ट करेंगे. ऐसे शोल्डर्स को ऐसे नहीं करेंगे. Be focused, be mindful, and start. Twist. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Other side. Inhale. आराम से शको. Inhale, center on my count. Exhale, twist. Jaya on the knee. Hand on the knee. Yes. Opposite hand on the opposite knee. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Fast is easy, slow is difficult. Inhale, center. Last two. Round. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Inhale, center. And relax. Last with the body movement. Cat and cow. As I said कि हम ये सब कर चुके हैं, तो you will find it easy, but go slow. Exhale, arch your back. Inhale, open your chest, look up. It's very good for spine. As I said, spine की flexibility, spine की strength is very, very important for the breathing, good breathing. And Shaila, that is one of the reason he could do it all easily. Of course, determination, वो सब उसको तो कोई beat ही नहीं कर सकता है. लेकिन physically also कोई challenge नहीं आया. So because you have been practicing it, breathing with your Swar Yoga, with yoga, so many practices you have been doing, which contributes a lot in our capacity, energy. Inhale, exhale. Exhale, arch. Inhale, open. Close your eyes and enjoy your body movement so that your attention goes on your body movement. Three rounds more. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, spine round. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, आपका आर्च का वो कर्व बनना, ओपन होना, you are visualizing, feeling everything. Be that mindful. स्पाइन का, एब्डोमेन का कर्व होना, एम्प्टी होना, and come in the center. It's a practice to be mindful about your breathing, because breathing is the only thing we take it for granted. And relax. Change your leg. Again, let's do some lungs expansion breathing exercises, very basic. First is equal breathing. Sit straight in any posture, eyes closed. Check your body again, spine straight, chin perpendicular to your body, chest, shoulders open. Equal breathing. I'll give count, eyes closed, and focus on your breathing. Diaphragmic, full equal breathing, normal. Inhale on 3, exhale on 3. Slowly, deeply, smoothly inhale and completely exhale. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. I am giving counts. You just close your eyes and feel the expansion and contraction of your lungs. That's it, what you have to do with every breath. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. 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 Inhale, keep enjoying your breathing. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. Inhale, 2, 3. Exhale, 2, 3. And relax. Normal breathing. Observe what you did just now. And how did you feel? It's not about the quantity कि हमने कितनी breath करी. It is about quality of breath. Breath work is always about the quality of breath. Now let's move towards the abdominal breathing. Keep your right hand on your abdominal. And now we'll fill the breath in your belly. And observe the movement of belly with closed eyes and हाथ से आपको feel भी होगा अच्छे से. Inhale and exhale on that normal count which I am giving you. Close your eyes, take your position. You can take any mudra. In ध्यान मुद्रा कर लो simple. The दूसरे हाथ से. Start. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Be mindful about the movement inside. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. Inhale. 2, back straight, chin is straight, shoulders open, eyes closed, all muscles relaxed. Focus on your breathing. Mindful, observant about the visualize how your organs are moving inside with your each and every breath. You can visualize your lungs, your abdominal, all connecting muscles, how they are moving with your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. It's a hidden formula, hidden secret भगवान ने हमको दे रखा है जिसको हम ध्यान ही नहीं देते. Our breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Start enjoying your breath moment. Inhale. Exhale. 3 more breaths. Enjoy at your own speed. Inhale. Exhale. It's about breathing effectively in the correct pattern, deeply, slowly, mindfully. Exhale. Now, slowly come back to normal. Inhale and relax. Now, with a closed eye only, reflect on your practices, what we did today. We did prayer, well-being of the whole world. We did normal breathing. We did some stretches, movements with the breath, twisting movements, then normal equal breathing, then the abdominal breathing. When I'm saying it, just try to visualize and reflect everything, what practices we did today. And if possible, please give a feedback. How was it the session? How did you feel before the session, during the session, and after the session? How was your breath? And once you will start writing, you will see the changes in your last 30 days, how we could progress. That's how the writing becomes important. Now we'll close the session with this mindfulness. Bring your palms together. And again, we will close with the Sadbhavana prayer. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhna. Om ka chanting करेंगे. Once Om chanting and then we will do Sarve Bhavantu Sukhna. Oh.
Oh.
Om. Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kashyit Dukh Bhag Bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve Rishta Sushantir Bhavatu. Om. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. And open your eyes in this. Thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you so much for joining. That's how we close the session. आज हमने बहुत बेसिक्स करा. Thank you. I hope I am in time. Shaila?
Yeah. Thanks, Rachana.
Thank
I'll leave early.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.